WD Electronics, premium LED solutions for side-by-sides. Kawasaki Mule street legal kit installation. Hood removal. Turn the two rotating locking clips highlighted here. Once the locks have been rotated, the hood can be lifted free. Attach the power extension wire to the main control module. Attach the power extension wire to the main control module, red to red and black to black. Make sure that the rubber insulation on the bullet connectors is fully seated. Position the main control module. Position the main control module as shown under the hood on the flat panel. Connect the control module to power. On the passenger side under the hood, locate the 4-pin connector with light blue, brown, and black with yellow stripe wires. Remove the dust cap by lifting up on the locking tab and removing it. Connect the power extension wire we connected to the main control module. Snap it into place. Install the column-mounted turn signal lever. Remove the two nuts from the right side of the bolt, securing the piston to the steering column. Back out the bolt on the left side until you have enough clearance to fit the turn signal switch bracket over the steering column. Slide the turn signal switch over the steering column and install the bolt in the hole. Reinstall the two nuts on the right side and tighten them down to secure the switch. Connect the turn signal lever to the control module. Feed the wiring from the turn signal switch through the hole shown under the dash. Locate the harness on the driver's side under the hood. Connect the column turn signal switch to the extension wire coming off the left side of the control box. This wire is covered in black wire loom. Snap the connectors together. Horn harness installation. Cut one of the rocker switch blanks out of your dash in your desired location. Feed your horn harness through your chosen slot and snap it into place, as shown. Test the rocker switch to ensure that it does not bind. Install the included bracket and nut onto the horn. Install the other side of the bracket onto a bolt under the hood. We recommend the highlighted bolt here. Locate the other end of the horn harness behind the dash and pull it under the hood. Connect the 2-pin connector on the horn harness to the mating connector on the main control module. It's the plug second from the left. Connect the red and black spade connectors on the horn harness to the horn. They can be connected in either direction. Connect the taillight adapters. Lift the bed by undoing the latch on each side of the machine, as shown. Once the latches are disconnected on each side, use the handle shown to flip up the seat and then lift up the bed. Disconnect the taillights from the factory harness on both sides by lifting up the locking tab and removing. Insert the taillight adapter with the red and white bullet connectors in line with the passenger side taillight and harness. Install the other taillight adapter with the long black wire onto the driver's side taillight and harness. Route the long black bullet connector over to the passenger side adapter, following the factory harness as closely as possible. Run the long black cable to the rear of the machine. Near the passenger side front shock absorber, there is a bolt that needs to be removed. It is highlighted here. We recommend removing the skid plate to run the long black cable. It can be ran down the center of the machine, but it may be more difficult to disassemble. Remove all of the highlighted bolts and washers on the front and rear skid plate. Once the skid plate has been fully removed, connect the 3-pin connector on the long black cable to the main control module under the dash. The wiring for the long black cable is shown here. Run under the cover in the front passenger's wheel well. Run down the remainder of the firewall and make your way under the machine. Follow the factory wiring to the rear of the machine as closely as possible, making sure to go around any beams or anywhere that could pinch the wire. Near the rear drive shaft linkage, follow the harness up. Continue following the frame all the way towards the rear taillight on the passenger side. Connect the long black cable to the taillight adapters. Connect the red, white, and black bullet connectors to the taillight adapters that you previously ran, red to red, white to white, and black to black. Make sure that the rubber insulation is fully sealed on the bullet connectors. Install the 6 LED front turn signal harness. Mark 3 3/4 inch holes on each front corner of the machine. We recommend this location. Space them as evenly as possible. Once the holes have been drilled, we will install the 6 LED front turn signal harness. 3 amber LEDs will go on each corner of the machine. Make sure to install the side labeled driver's side on the correct side of the machine. Begin by slipping the rubber grommets on each side off of the LEDs down onto the wires. Next, slip one LED through each hole that you drilled, and then slip the rubber grommet through the back of the hole as well. Install the rubber grommet into each hole and press the amber LED inside to secure it. Repeat the process on both sides. Connect the 4-pin connector on the front LED signal harness to the mating connector on the control module, as shown here. Install the blue turn signal indicator LEDs. Mark the location for each of your blue turn signal indicator LEDs. The location we recommend is shown here. Drill out the holes in the locations that you marked. Make sure nothing can be damaged behind the location you drill. Install the blue LEDs by first installing the rubber gasket, inserting them into the hole, and then securing them from the back with a lock washer and a nut. Route the harness for the blue LEDs under the dash and connect them. The spade connectors can connect in either direction. They're reversible. Connect the 4-pin connector on the dash indicator harness to the mating connector on the control box. Install the LED license plate frame to the tailgate. Install the included LED license plate frame and bracket to the tailgate using the included self-tapping screws. Connect the license plate extension wire to the accessory bullet connectors that come on the machine. The location is shown here. Connect them black to black and red to brown. Run the other end to the LED license plate frame and connect it red to red and black to black. Tidy up your wiring and test your signals, license plate, and horn. Installation complete. Thanks for watching. For install related questions, visit our website at wdelectronics.com.